Whoa!
It's your money machine.
A money machine with colors. Cool. Yes, I opened it on my present.
You already kissed all your presents.
No, I need to kiss one more.
That's from Leroy and Jake.
That's good. You're gonna love that one. The big dog.
Yeah. Wait. Where's her food? That she cooks with.
She's not real. She doesn't eat.
Oh. Yes, she does. Thank you, Roy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Jake.
You're welcome. That's what we did.